Hi, and welcome to the Lima Bravo Zero Foxtrot India YouTube channel. I'm Morton LB0 Fox India. And what you do if you've bought one of these really nice QRP rigs, like the X6100 here, and you're kind of afraid to take it out. Might be a little bit of, you think it's a little bit frail. You got all of these buttons, knobs here that stick out a little bit, and you're afraid to put it in your backpack. Well, you've seen all these people with their nice 705s with the big aluminum cages, but you don't want to spend that kind of money on this kind of radio. Well, if you have a 3D printer, you can always 3D print something. And I went to Thingiverse and I found this design here, which is a really nice cage. And what's different from this design and all the other cages for the 6100 on Thingiverse is that you don't have to remove the side plates here and replace them with 3D printed ones. Because what happens when you remove the side plate here, you'll make a little gap on the backside here where dust and grime and moisture and everything can get in. So this one is a lot better because this just connects to the side of the radio. Just take a look at the print here, and when this is done, we'll mount it on the radio. And this is what it looks like when it's done printing. You have 4 parts. You have the 2 side rails here, and you have the top and bottom rail, and I mounted one side of it. Just let me go get a screwdriver and we'll put everything together. So the first thing we'll do is turn the radio off, just to be sure that we don't press any buttons while we do this. And you can see it's just mounted with machine screws on the end here, so it's pretty simple. So let's put this up on its side and see how to do this. And there you go, one X6100 with this lovely cage. There's a little bit gap on the top and the bottom here. And that's actually a good thing because that allows heat to dissipate, which is good. And it seems rugged enough. I wouldn't be afraid to drop this or put it in a backpack now because the buttons and the knobs are protected. So what do you think? Is it worth it with a 3D printed cage like this, or should you go for an aluminum one? For my use case, I think a 3D printed case is more than good enough, but then again, it depends on your use case. If you like this video or any of my other videos, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, 7-3.